Daddy don't know mama's getting high. Got her bills to drop.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So jumping straight into the video, the first thing I went ahead and did was just line up the frontal to my hairline to make sure I place it exactly where I want it to be. Then I went ahead and used 3 layers of the bolt hold glue. That clip got deleted somehow. I don't know what happened, but I'm so sorry about that. But I got the rest of it. So once I put the glue down and I let it dry, I started to lay the frontal down. I noticed that one side wasn't sticking, so like you see right here, I went ahead and just applied a little bit more glue. I let it dry down a little bit, but I didn't let it get too clear until I started sticking it down. So after that, I went ahead and touched up the sides, well, blow dried it. After the blow drying it, I went ahead and just touched up the back side, like by the air you're gonna see coming up, because that part was lifting as well. So I just redid here, and I also did that to the other side. So I'm just gonna let y'all finish watching this part, and then I'm gonna jump back in and talk to you guys.
I'm saying nothing but lies. That's why I don't argue with bitches. I swear I don't argue with bitches. Go ahead and cry me a river. Ooh.
So because this is a reinstall, I did have to cut off an extra bit of lace that was not glued down, and I personally didn't want to glue that part down because it was going to make it look weird. And I don't know if y'all noticed, but when you're reinstalling a wig or reinstalling a frontal, it's always good to cut off that extra lace so the baby hairs and the just the hairline could just look a bit more fresh and refreshed. Okay, cool, got it. So after I did that, I just went ahead and took a little bit of the glue and touched up the little pieces that I did keep in the front that's on the lace. And I just touched that up, pressed that down, and I went in and blow dried it with the blow dryer on cool. And you're going to see me going in and out with the scissors, cutting pieces, because I want the hairline just to look as natural as possible. And I don't like when it has too much lace, because it just be looking way too crazy. So here I then molded it in, and I used Got To Be spray and Even spray. I believe I used the black and red bottle of Even spray, and I used a stocking cap because I did not have any more white strips that you normally use to wrap around your braid. So if you do have white strips, I would suggest that you use that, but I did not, so that's just what I used. Here I started wrapping here at the bottom, and I am doing it really close because I want the ponytail to look as full as possible. Even though I am going for a natural ponytail, I still want the ponytail to look full. And I only used 1 pack of hair, not a bundle, 1 pack of hair from the beauty supply store. I believe the pack was like $20 if I'm not mistaken. All right, so I'm just going to continue to do this until I get to the tippy top of the ponytail and just finish wrapping it around. And I'm gonna close it with that excuse me, I'm gonna close it with that little wraparound thing that we all know you do for the ponytail, and then I'll see y'all in a bit.
They should be trying to get big. Maybe they wanna be gang, or maybe they bitches a slave. Cook it up with no recipe. I told Chulo invest in me, and I got some songs that's on the way. Nobody could get from me. I don't know why they testing me. They can't even get next to me. Pray to God he be blessing me, and he won't let them get the best of me. Yeah, these fun niggas they be hating. I just zoom on them. Foot up on the gas so I can't cruise on them. Niggas want me to win so I can't lose on them. And all I want is paper, I need blue honeys.
Okay, you guys, the ponytail is done, and can't nobody tell me nothing. That is mine. You cannot find where the freaking hair on the lace and the hair on my hair. Like, you cannot find the separation. Like, that's how neat it is. Like, look at the sides. Look at it, bro. Like, that shit is so clean. But we gonna hop into the baby hairs. I already had some baby hairs plucked out because, like I said, I'm reinstalling this frontal. But I did take out a little bit more hair just so I could make it look a little bit more full and natural. I did not want any thick baby hairs. Only by the ear area, I feel like that's okay to have a thick baby hair. But in the front, I just wanted it to be real thin, real natural, and I feel like it gave exactly that. Now, what I like to do is pull the hair down and hold it, and I'll just cut like on the top of my eyebrow and go down at an angle that's the best way for me to explain how I cut my baby hairs and get that nice look. Now once I'm finished cutting it, I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with a small hot comb, like a not a hot comb, y'all. I'm gonna hit it with a small curling iron, like a baby curling iron from Dry Bar, and then I'll come back in and talk to y'all.
I can't lose on. And all I want is paper, I need blue honeys. Yeah. Yeah. Say what don't kill you, make you stronger. I just hope I be alright. I admit that I've been sipping with my dogs, and that's a light. When I'm outside with all of my doors, I can feel the reaper in the night. When I'm outside with all of my doors, I can feel the reaper in the night. My ex told me she loved me, she lied, and that's alright. I guess she wasn't for me, she can't be my wife. When I'm outside with all of my doors, I can feel the reaper in the night. When I'm outside with all of my doors, I can feel the reaper in the night. What don't kill you, make you stronger. I just hope I be alright. I admit that I've been sipping with my dogs, and that's a light. When I'm outside with all of my doors, I can feel the reaper in the night. When I'm outside with all of my doors, I can feel the reaper in the night. Yeah, leave me alone, especially when I get all up in my zone. Don't hit my phone, I'm better off on my own. Unless you wanna meet the tone, I suggest you hit the road. I'm going bad for real. I got tattoos on my body, ain't gon' black for real. They told me that I should stop, but I'm in my bag for real. Chopper sing like it's a choir with that mag for real. Lil' bro gon' splash for real, yeah. Yeah, they took my heart and I was so lost, knew I wasn't getting it back. Left me in the dark with all these scars, I feel like I'm getting attached. They took my dog, we on to war, but still wasn't getting them back. Fast steady tryna see where we at, but they could never find a gun in the trap, cause we never lacking. White man don't arrest me, yeah. I just came through with my shorty flexing and finessing, yeah. Where I'm from, you can play gangster, they still come and test you, yeah. Where I'm from, it ain't no one-on-ones. Don't be out here playing the streets, be smart when you play in the streets. If you ain't gon' play with none of your dogs, then why's you playing with me? Better watch what you saying to me, if I run under you with an 80 on me. Niggas already know I be spraying the heat with that 38 baby on me. Okay, we was out there trapping out the hallways, yeah. I see murder happen up in broad day, yeah. Public houses vacant, we was older, yeah. Told you I'm a ride and that's just always. I'm going bad for real. I got tattoos on my body, ain't gon' black for real. They told me that I should.
You so bad, little mama. But girl, you in love with the drama, so we can't be friends. We just can't be friends, little mama. And goddamn, little mama, you ain't got no ambition for a dollar, so we can't be friends. So we can't be friends, little mama. Look, she tried to lock a nigga down like a Brinks truck. No, not me, I done had enough. So better luck next year. I'm forever shasty bitch for cocaine, I'm out here. In a lot of mix, I almost didn't make it out. These links and drinks with bitches sure to take a nigga out and set a nigga up. You need a real nigga pass just to sit with us. But shorty at the bar got a breast sitting up. And if that tab come with ass, I'll pick it up. I'm trying to get with you and your friends, because y'all look like twins, little mama. You so bad, little mama. But girl, you in love with the drama, so we can't be friends. We just can't be friends, little mama. And goddamn, little mama, you ain't got no ambition for a dollar, so we can't be friends. So we can't be friends, little mama. She want a nigga with some ends. She want a nigga that's gon' spend. She want a nigga with a bands, but it's not me. I ain't really in it trickin', cause you wasn't with me pitching when I was getting all that chicken in this lobby. You bad as ever, you bad as hell, but your package with the extras, baby, I couldn't tell that you had all that baggage and the trip to jail, so we can't be friends, girl, that shit best sell. You so bad, little mama, but girl, you in love with the drama, so we can't be friends. We just can't be friends, little mama. And goddamn.
Alright, so now that we got the baby hairs together, it's time to add a little makeup to the lace to blend it in to my skin a little bit more and make it my complexion at least, and you're gonna see the difference as soon as I touch it. Like, look at that, you literally see the lace disappearing on that side. And yes, in different angles when you look at it, of course you're gonna see the lace, but right now it's looking phenomenal. It's looking exactly how I need it to look. Okay, period, poo. And after I put this after I put the makeup on, I'm gonna just add a little bit of got to be spray to my fingers, press it on the lace, blow dry it on cool, tie it down, and I'll hop back in. And boom, bitch, period. Look at that. Like, yo, this hair is so laid. I feel like this is the best ponytail I've ever done. This is the best frontal ponytail that I've ever done. Don't worry about my little kitchen in the back right there. I always have like little issues, so I don't even watch that too much. But this is about the lace. It looks so good. Like, I'm telling y'all, this lace is phenomenal. The ponytail came out cute and whatever. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, leave a comment down below and let me know how you feel about it. Okay? Slay. Bye, y'all. Thank you.